Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Liliana and Maria Show. Today we are doing the No Mirror Makeup Challenge, and it'll also be 10 minutes.
Yes, so this means we have literally blocked out everything that has a mirror with Kleenex. So we're bougie like that. So basically, and we're also going to turn our monitor away from us so we cannot see ourselves in the reflection or in the camera itself. And hopefully we can get it done in 10 minutes.
I haven't been proud of the last 10-minute challenges. Been missing a lot.
Yeah.
So we'll see how this one goes.
This,
Oh yeah, we are doing wigs for this one. Always have to do wigs because it's drag. Yes.
the Liliana and Maria Show. Meow!
Okay, so we've turned the monitors around, and we are going to start. Ready? Go.
Oh my. So where do I look? Where do I look? This is the weirdest. This is the weirdest thing ever. Oh, I almost took out my eyeball. This is the weirdest.
What are you doing? I don't know what to do next. Because
why are you looking at me like I'm your...
I'm treating you like my mirror. I don't even know if this stick is covering my eyebrows. I'm winging it. My life.
This is a weird feeling. I mean, I've improvised. Lord help my speech. I've improvised mirrors before. You know, using the reflection in the dryer at work.
Yeah. I didn't even put concealer on.
Oh, neither. The contour was a little more important. I feel like this could be blended.
Can it?
I don't know. Don't look at me! You're not supposed to. Oh, now I'm all self-conscious.
This is a glitter stick from NARS, not an actual contour stick, so let's see how that's gonna go. Hopefully it's bringing me some color.
It's our time.
6:08.
I'm just gonna dive right in. We're just gonna do blue. I have to use like all my feeling of like if I'm getting my whole entire eyebrow covered.
Yeah, and I don't know how pigmented this is turning out on my eyes, so let's see. Who knows? Our eyebrows are probably not even covered.
It's fine. I'll use it as a crease line.
I don't even know where my crease is.
I don't even know.
What am I doing?
Eyebrows? Okay. Just let me feel here.
I don't know. I don't even know where I'm drawing.
Oh yeah, that went wide. That one. Don't look.
Really high up on my forehead right now. I just been trying to remember like where in my head I just drew. I don't know. Oh my gosh.
You know when people are like, oh, I'm so good at that, I could do it blindfolded. Yeah, right. Well,
No, you can't.
try this. Okay, I forgot I have to do mine. Nailing.
3:32.
I don't even know if this is working.
This is so scary.
See a hair or something?
Okay.
I know where my cheeks are. I just don't know, again, how the pigmentation is right now. Should be good, it's back.
Oh, Oh no, I broke on my lip. How much time?
2 minutes.
Yeah. I'm gonna go to the club like this. Okay.
I'm
Oh,
missing.
my eyes got
Oh, lashes. Shit. I already struggle putting on lashes. So let's do it without a mirror. Oh my gosh.
I forgot. I overdrew my lips, so I don't know what was covered. How much
Oh my
time?
gosh, 42 seconds. That's it. 1, 2, 3.
Oh. Brows. Where is she going? She's not going anywhere. Oh, my lashes aren't even attached to my wig.
What's with my nose contour?
I'm surprised I even got nose contour on there.
Oh my god.
I haven't been doing that.
I look like a fucking I look like a child got into like her mom's makeup.
There's so much space between my crease line and my brows. Sorry, look at my neck contour. Wait, I didn't even see my cheek contour. Nope, I don't really see it. There's a lot of shimmer because it is a shimmer stick. I thought I could get more color out of that, but guess not.
Alright, so this is our final look for the No Mirror 10-minute makeup challenge.
Drag edition. So as you can see, you can definitely still see our eyebrows.
Yeah. Mine aren't even filled in. It's just
I'm what you call a child who's gone into, their mother's makeup. But yeah, so tell us what you think. Subscribe, give us a like, share our video, follow us on Facebook and Instagram as well for many more, and also suggest things that you would like us to do, challenges, certain queens you would like us to try and look like, other art things you would like us to try and do, because clearly
we're
this is
always
art.
up for a challenge.
Yeah. No mirrors. That was this. I want to say the no makeup pads or the no thumbs one was really hard. But this, you'll see. Like you obviously saw. I was like, where the heck's my cheekbone? And still, beard city. Trevor on the go.
And remember, if you can't laugh at yourself,
How the hell do you live?